Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
We are from Group 1, and today we are going to present our presentation about code missing in online learning class via WhatsApp. My name is Alivia Prewita as a moderator and the fourth speaker. The first speaker will be presented by Jihan Maharani. The second speaker will be presented by Reski Amelia Anggraini. And the third speaker will be presented by Muhammad Ikram Iqbatullah. The fourth speaker is me, and the fifth speaker is Yevoneli May Brianti. The sixth speakers will be Gabriela Adelia, and the last speaker is Shahrunif binti Edi. Now we are going to start from the first speaker, Jihan Marani. Time is yours.
Okay, I will explain the first material, that is what it's called code mixing. So code mixing is the mixing of two or more languages or language varieties in speech. Code mixing, also defined as the placing or mixing of various linguistic units such as affixes, words, phrases, or clauses from two different grammatical system within the same sentence and speech context. That means code mixing happen when bilingual speaker use phrases, word, or clauses from a foreign language or pieces of one language smaller than clauses, while other language or code function as the base of language. Code mixing Code mixing takes place without a change of topic and can involve various levels of language such as phonology, morphology, grammatical structure, or lexical items. So generally, bilinguals can do code mixing well if he or she is fluent in the language. I think that's all for me.
Okay, now we are going to move to the second speakers by Reski Amelia Anggraini.
Okay, thank you for the chance. As we can see to the slide, there are three definitions of code mixing according to expert. The first one is Fisher, 1972, said that code mixing, also called intro-sentential code switching or intra-sentential code alternation, occurs when speaker use two or more language below close level within one social situation. The second one is Messler, 1998, defines code mixing or a mixed code as using two languages such that a third new code emerges, in which elements from the two languages are incorporated into a structurally definable pattern. The last, Suandi, 2008, code mixing is the using of two or more language in informal style between the people which we know. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, now we are going to move to the third speaker by Muhammad Ikram Iqbatullah.
Okay, I will explain about Hoffman's theory. At least, the phenomenon of bilingualism results in the occurrence of code switching and code mixing. It happens when a speaker requires a particular code in order to switch or mix one code to another, and even create a new coding process. Then maintains that code mixing the switches occurring within a sentence. The example is the mixing between Malay and English. In Malay, they say, "This morning I hantar my baby to dekat babysitter tulah." On the other hand, code switching is the change over sentence. Code switching can occur during the same conversation. For example, People here get divorced too easily, like exchanging faulty goods. In China, it's not the same. Uh, if you have married a dog, you follow a dog. If you married a chicken, you follow a chicken. As can be observed from the example above, first the speaker said English sentence, then he switched to Mandarin. Explain that code switching can occur quite frequently in an informal conversation among people who are familiar and have a shared educational, ethnic, and socio-economic background. It is avoided in a formal speech situation among people, especially those who have little in common factors in terms of social status, language, loyalty, and formality. Thank you.
Okay, now we are going to move to the fourth speaker. Will be presented by me, Alkia Prelita. Online learning class. COVID-19 pandemic has been growing into various countries across the continent and has claimed hundreds of thousands of lives. Today, America has the highest cases with more than 2,087,180 cases. Novel coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by a new virus. The disease causes respiratory illness like the flu, with the symptoms such as cough, fever, and in more severe cases, difficulty breathing. You can protect yourself by washing your hands frequently, using hand sanitizer, avoiding touching your face, wear a mask, and avoiding close contact 1 meter or 3 feet with unwell people. There have been recorded 474,000 cases in Indonesia and reached 15,393 reported death cases based on WHO. And during this long pandemic, the government in several countries worldwide decided to change the learning school activities to online learning classes to prevent the new coronavirus cases. It is also one of the government effective methods to slow down the spread of COVID-19. All schools applied this system from kindergarten to college, and students are studying online right now. There are many online learning class platforms that schools and teachers use, such as Zoom, Google Classroom, Google Meet, WhatsApp, etc. And one of the most used platforms for online learning class used by most teachers in Indonesia is WhatsApp. Through WhatsApp, the teachers make an online group class where all of the students must join. The teacher will share their class materials, video class materials, voice note materials, and group assignment. And in the discussion, our group will talk about code missing in online learning class via WhatsApp. Okay, that's all from me, and we are going to move to the next speakers by Yevoneli Mebrianti.
Okay, here are the examples of code mixing. Extract 1, lecturer. Oke, kelompok 1 silahkan kita kirim paper ta. In the text extract above shows that the speaker did code mixing from bahasa Indonesia which is kelompok 1 silahkan kita kirim to English paper and Makassar language ta. This conversation is intra-sentential mixing because it contains which occurs within a clause or sentence boundary. Next, students. I mean, tidak selalu melihat materi. In the extracts above, show that speaker did code mixing from English I mean to Indonesia language. Tidak selalu melihat materi. This conversation is intrasentential mixing because it contains which occurs within a clause or sentence boundary. Next, students. Okay, I see. Sangat dimengerti, terima kasih. In the extract above showed that the speaker did code mixing from English. Okay, I see. To bahasa Indonesia, sangat dimengerti. Terima kasih. This conversation is intrasentential mixing because it contains which occurs within a clause or sentence boundary. Then, shouldn't wait. Apakah nada bicara itu termasuk body language? In the text above, showed the speaker using code mixing from English, wait, to Indonesia. Apakah nada bicara itu termasuk then back to English body language? This conversation is intrasentential mixing because it contains which occurs within a clause or sentence boundary. Thank you.
Okay, now we are going to move to the 6 speakers by Gabriela Adelia.
Okay, thank you. Examples is, the first is from Balkis. Okay, I hope you guys sudah mendengarkan dan menyimak materi dari kelompok 4 pada pagi hari ini. In this extract, show that the speaker Balkis got mixing from English. Okay, you guys to bahasa Indonesia sudah mendengarkan dan menyimak materi dari kelompok 4 pada pagi hari ini. This conversation is intrasential mixing because it takes such a course within a clause or sentence boundary. The next is from Milan. I'm Fadila and I want to ask your group a question based on your opinion. Apakah misunderstanding in intercultural barriers selalu berdampak buruk? In this extract, show that the speaker Milan got mixing from English. I'm Fadila, and I want to ask your group a question based your opinion to bahasa Indonesia. Apakah, and then back again to English, misunderstanding in intercultural barriers, and then back again to bahasa Indonesia, selalu berdampak buruk. This conversation is intralexical code mixing because it contains switch occurs within a word boundary. The next is from Rizka. My name is Rizkawanti Kadir from group 5. My question is, apakah stereotypes hanya berpusat pada ras? Jika terdapat hal lain, apakah bisa dijelaskan dan diberikan contoh? In this extract, so that the speaker Rizka got mixing from English. My name is Rizkawanti Kadir from group 5. My question is, to bahasa Indonesia, apakah, and then back to English, stereotypes, and then back to bahasa Indonesia, hanya berpusat pada ras. Jika terdapat hal lain, apakah bisa dijelaskan dan diberikan contoh? This conversation is intrasential mixing because it contains which occurs within a clause or a sentence boundary. The next example. Oke, jadi pertama-tama kita apresiasi presentasi dari kelompok 2. It was a good presentation. In this extract show that the speaker got mixing from English, okay, to bahasa Indonesia. Jadi pertama-tama kita apresiasi prestasi dari kelompok 2. To English, it was a good presentation. This conversation is intrasential mixing because it contains switch occurs within a clause or sentence boundary. The last is, okay, I think that's all. Minggu depan kita akan lanjut pembahasan mengenai stereotypes yang akan dibawakan oleh kelompok 3. In this extract, show that the speaker code mixing from English. Okay, I think that's all. To bahasa Indonesia, minggu depan kita akan lanjut pembahasan mengenai stereotypes yang akan dibawakan oleh kelompok 3. This conversation is intra-essential mixing because it contains switch across within a clause or sentence boundary. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, now we are going to move to the last speakers by Syahrunif binti Edi.
Okay. I will give the conclusion. Code mixing is the mixing of two or more languages or language varieties in speech. Code mixing takes place without a change of topic and can involve various levels of language such as phonology, morphology, grammatical structure, or lexical items. According to Suwandi, code mixing is the using of two or more language in informal style between the people which we know. During this pandemic, there are many online learning class platforms that school and teacher use, such as Zoom, Google Classroom, Google Meet, WhatsApp, etc. The teacher will share the class materials, video class materials, voice note materials, and group assignments. We can see at the extract above that most of the teacher and student use code mixing in their conversation. Code mixing from English to Bahasa Indonesia and Bahasa Indonesia to English. This conversation is intra-sentential mixing because it contains switch occur within a clause or sentence boundary. Thank you.
Okay, that's all the presentation from our group 1. We deeply apologize if we make some mistakes or mispronunciation. I hope it will be useful for all the people who watch this video. Thank you so much and have a good day everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.